How to delete TikTok Lite permanently. So hey guys, on today's video, I'll be teaching you how to delete TikTok Lite permanently. To delete your TikTok Lite permanently, all we need to do is open up your TikTok Lite right here. So once you open up your TikTok Lite right here, you will see on the bottom right corner, you will see on me. Right there. You will see me right there in the bottom right corner. So press on me right there. So we're gonna permanently delete our TikTok. Currently delete our TikTok. Click on the three dots on the top right corner. After pressing the three dots on the top right corner, next thing we need to do right here is click on the settings and privacy. After clicking on the settings privacy, click on manage account. So here at manage account, all we need to do is go down till you see deactivate or delete account. Press on deactivate or delete account. After pressing on that right there, next thing we need to do right here is click on delete account permanently. Press on delete account permanently. After pressing on delete account permanently, there you go. You say before you can go, can we help? Blah blah blah. You can skip that. Then there you go. If you delete your account, you'll lose service and above permanently. Then click on continue. There you go. Press on continue. After doing that, your account will now be deleted. There you go. Continue and review. Blah blah blah. Now let's say you have deleted your account. There you go. When you continue. Let's say you have deleted your account and you want to recover it. You still have 30 days to recover it. So on the last day, like on the 30 day, or the last day, you can still recover it for 30 days. You still have 30 days. Or let's say you only got one. You can still, for example, tomorrow, like maybe tomorrow, you can take all this, recover it by just signing in. When you sign in, you can recover it. Easy as that. So yeah guys, there you go. I hope you guys the video you enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, lapit ako sa mga guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.